Hello everyone, in front of me is Motorola Moto G54 Power, and let me show you how to locate IMEI number. First of all, open your phone dialer, then go to keypad and enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see here, we've got device information with both IMEI and serial number, so right after entering this code you will be able to check IMEI number. Click on OK to exit. And now you can also find IMEI via settings. So obviously at first you need to reach settings, then scroll all the way down, enter about phone, and here go a bit lower, where you will be able to read IMEI numbers. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.